Guys, in front of me is brand new iPhone 17, and let me show you how to activate live text feature. So once you want to copy some text from photos or through your camera, you need to activate this super useful feature. Let's open the settings at first to do it, then go to General. Now locate language and region, and here at the bottom you will notice live text. All you have to do is to tap on the indicator. From now on it is active. It's super useful feature, so it's truly recommended to have it on, but once you want to switch it off, just do the same thing, just click. But I'll leave it active. I truly love this feature. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.